guys, Norm here from International Motor Cars. Welcome back to our showroom. As you can see, we've got a few toys outside, and I've got a new toy, which is gonna allow me to show you them a little bit better.
All alive. The devil's in the detail, lingered inside. Oh, a holy crime. But how can I hide you without an alibi? It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence. I can't wait no longer. I'm playing with the monsters. Everything that brought me alive. Going wrong like nonsense. Playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence without an alibi. Smoking gun, you got me on the run. We know that will come. We're out up till dawn. But how can I hide you without an alibi? It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence. I can't wait no longer. I'm playing with the monsters. Everything that brought me alive. Going wrong like nonsense. Playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi.
Hey guys, welcome to the inside of our showroom. Let's get this thing fired up right here, and I'm gonna take you on a tour.
All alive. The devil's in the detail, lingered inside. Oh, a holy crime. But how can I hide you without an alibi? It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence. I can't wait no longer. I'm playing with the monsters. Everything that brought me alive. Going wrong like nonsense. Playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. My innocence without an alibi. found no alibi. It's a rebel's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence without an alibi.
All right, everyone. Hope you guys have enjoyed the new footage we're able to produce for you. And with that, there's really only one way to properly end this video.
Monsieur?
Thank you. Can't believe all these years, finally got myself a driver. It's about time. About time. Where shall we go today? Oh, I have massaging seats back here. It's nice. Super nice, guys. He doesn't even talk. He works for free too. No talking, not even paid. No, you just park it out front. Alright, that's gonna effectively end this video. We'll catch you guys on the next one.